Hello everybody, this is for the community emergency response team. Once you finish training, you're issued a nice hard hat. It's a plastic hard hat that protects your head. It usually comes in two pieces, the band and then the shell. That usually comes in two pieces, the band and the shell. So you do have to put it together, and even if you have done it before, it can be complicated. So I'm going to show you how to put it together because it's nowhere in the CERT manual how to put together these helmets.
Let's see the CERT manual.
Like they do on The Price is Right.
Thank you, Vanna White.
Okay. So this is the continuation of how to put together this helmet that CERT issues you for the class. So, how do we do it? Doesn't say it in the manual. Maybe we need this handy dandy tool that they hand you. It has a gas, water, what else? I don't see anything for a helmet. No. I don't think we need duct tape. Maybe. No. Maybe some Elmer's glue? Oh, this is plastic, and this is for wood. So I suppose it would not work. No. Maybe, with a little bit of magic, with our nice Harry Potter Gryffindor tie from Hogwarts. Wingardium Leviosa. Wingardium Leviosa. Wingardium Levioso. It's Leviosa, not Levioso. So you take the band, and this part goes in the front, and you can see the helmet has 4 slots where you're going to attach it. And then these are the pieces that go into the slots. It's hard to... So you have to bend this piece up, and then stick it in the slot, and then it snaps in like that. And then you do that to each one, each of the 4 sides.
Can you see? Good.
This one got bent over. Okay, so that one gets bent up.
So that's what you do in case it gets bent over.
Yeah. Of course, I'm not doing the greatest job. Let me see.
So you need a little something else to help you.
That's right. That's right. I'm glad you mentioned it. If you have trouble doing it, you can always take a sip of alcohol. Today we have Mexican beer, and this is empty. This isn't going to help much, but boom. We have rum for Katie and Mexican beer
For Eric.
for Eric later for participating in this video. Where was I now? Okay, there it goes. That's 3. Oh, this one. And there's the last one. So they should snap in. You should
You can hear a nice snap.
And then it's just to adjust where you're, depends on how tight you want. If you want to tighten the work because it doesn't fall off. So that slides through. You do, I'm going to run. Supposed to slide through both of them. There you go, like that.
So if you feel like it's not tight enough, you've already put it on, you're already working with it, just ask someone to give you a quick compliment,
That's right.
and you'll get a bigger head.
You can always do it. So you want to try, this is really loose. Hopefully that comes in. This is too loose. So you want to take it back out, pull it tighter. And it has a little 4 snaps to make it tight. That should be pretty good.
And I see that this inner part is probably used to keep the hat away from your head, actually, so any impact wouldn't vibrate right through into your head, but kind of...
Right, it has enough bend. And this is, like you said, so it protects your head so that way you can think better. That's pretty good. And you see I put 2 of them together already. This is an older model that's been this one. Stiff. See. And for some reason, if you have to take the band out, just in case maybe something gets broken, you have to use a small screwdriver or something you can stick in there. And it's got the little holes to take the snaps out.
The perfect size for that.
Right. These little glasses screwdrivers, those work good because they come in all sizes. And then you do the same thing to each one, and these pop out, just to show. Like I said, you might need to replace the band for some reason. Or it's too dirty, you know, whatever the case may be, or you got blood on it, you know.
Well, you'd want to clean it then.
And they all pop out.
Now, if you got blood on it, I don't know which is better, to hope that it's your own or hope that it's
Hope there's someone else. Well, they always say you don't want to come back with something you didn't go in with. It's Leviosa, not Levioso.